Okay guys, so we're currently on the train and I just posted a shorts slightly 10 seconds ago and we have a car on our side. Oh, that's a railroad cross. And I'm pretty sure, it's December 14th. I'm gonna get a DC-10 McDouglas Air China on December 19th. Make sure to check my shorts for an update of the video. The shorts, I mean. Yeah, we're getting slower, now faster. Pretty much we're about to go faster. And wait until we go to downtown because we're gonna transfer to Blue Line. There's a hydraulic that these rails, if you don't know about CTA, these rails are hydraulic and they're made out of electricity parts, and that's an electricity wire there, and that's what I learned. Yeah, it's pretty much good what I learned in school. It's perfect. Yes, railroad cross. Oh my god, that's actually kind of far. Like very far. Super duper far. Yeah, it's getting... what is happening right now? Okay, but so we got a few houses there. The railroad cross is now free. I mean, what possibly can go wrong? We got tracks that I don't know about, freight trains. I think that's connected to CTA. As the video I posted 2 months ago about the 7000 series or the 2000 series, I kind of forget. Those trains is kind of old. There we got the pond there, and then the yellow line storage. Oh my god, that's the old train. Do you see that far in the distance? Oh my god, that's such a good catch. Replay this and look at that. Wow. That was such a good catch. And just so you know, this is like a school, I think, like the park of a school. And it's a courtyard of like everything, I think. And I am in Chicago, that's why I'm riding CTA to downtown again. And from Rains to Forest Park, then O'Hare. Oh, that's a little car. We're on elevation. And when I was little, I always thought that was the Mississippi River. But it's so skinny and small. Okay, we're starting to go fast. Like fast. Oh my god. Just this little. Sit up here. I'm kind of standing that city. Let me just lean towards the ground like this. So I'm just good. We're just still going, and there's a few houses on my side. And that's an old place. And we're still going. Oh, that's another train. Did it just stop? I don't know. I ain't know though, but things can slightly get wrong or something. I don't know. Here, what do you want to sit here? I don't want to get injured because I've been standing up for like 4 minutes and 32 seconds now. Okay, let me just sit down and it's good. And something like that. Here's the time. Somewhere 14. Yeah, I'm right. So, oh my god. And just rewind that and make sure that was an old train with the green and the yellow topping. I mean the white on the top. Just make sure. And we're coming to a stop. And I've been on Purple Line. The elevation was epic because when I'm on it, it's just like I'm on a steep drop. This is my side conductor room. For your safety, operation permanent. To talk to customers will be in the vehicle motor region. Please comfort. I don't know. Please, left, right, door, next act. That's the like speaking thing. Right there. It's December. Going on the Christmas train. Pictures with Santa. Oh, that's a bridge. I think that's for cars. Yeah, we're about to arrive and make sure nothing's going on bad. Like, most likely, this is my longest video I'm making. And I'm exposing my name in this video. And you don't need to guess it. And my brother, did you hear what my brother said? Yeah, he most likely said David. My name is David. Okay, we're at the Purple Line elevation. That's Purple Line. They did the same thing as Brown Line because the Brown Line always cut it the red and purple lines. That's why they made it better decision. That's Purple Line there. The Purple Line elevation. You have to stop. It's what happens all the time because Purple Line blocks us. I hope there's no announcement. Oh, we're going now. It's been a long time, like 7 minutes, 27. 7:27? Wait, both? Okay, now we have the trains not in service. 95th? Okay, that's the 7000 series again. No actual way. I'm finding the 7000 series again. Okay, just passed. More 7000 series. Oh yay. Okay, we're going. And that 95th and Dan Ryan, that 195th and Dan Ryan train on our side. Okay, we arrived. This is the farthest we can go. Dan Ryan. Oh, Purple Line just took place. Okay. Bye guys.